Dr. Elie recommends you don't ignore this one thing about your dog's behavior, because it could be causing serious emotional distress. Separation anxiety is one of the most misunderstood and mistreated issues in dogs. But don't worry, we're breaking it down in under 10 minutes. Dogs are pack animals. When you leave, it can feel like their whole world is collapsing. But there's a big difference between a dog being bored and truly panicking. Signs include barking, howling when alone, destructive behavior, pacing, trying to escape, potty accidents indoors, even if trained. It's not disobedience, it's fear. Here's what Dr. Elie recommends not doing. Punishing your dog, this increases fear. Getting another dog is a solution, this usually doesn't fix the root issue. Leaving suddenly without a goodbye or overdramatic exits, both can backfire. And the biggest mistake? Waiting for it to go away on its own. It won't. Okay, let's get to what you can do. These are practical tips backed by veterinary behaviorists. Desensitize them to your leaving cues, grab your keys, put on shoes, but don't leave. Repeat until they stop reacting. Short departures, leave for 1 minute, then 5, then 10. Make it boring, not emotional. Create a positive association with being alone. Stuff a Kong toy with frozen peanut butter or their favorite treats only when you're away. Calm departures and returns, no eye contact, no dramatic greetings, just casual energy. Dr. Elie recommends these tools as part of a behavioral plan, not a quick fix. If your dog's anxiety is severe, like harming themselves or neighbors are complaining, you need a vet or certified trainer. There are anti-anxiety medications for dogs prescribed by your vet to use during behavior training. Think of it like glasses for someone who's learning to read. It helps them focus on the lesson. If you take one thing away from this video, your dog isn't giving you a hard time, they're having a hard time. Be patient, be consistent, and above all, don't ignore the signs. Comment below if your dog shows signs of separation anxiety. Let's help each other out. Save this for later and follow for more tips, because a calm dog equals a calm home. And remember, Dr. Elie recommends behavior first, punishment never. Separation anxiety in dogs is a complex issue that requires a multifaceted approach. It's not just about addressing the symptoms but understanding the root cause of the anxiety. Dogs are incredibly social animals, and their bond with their human family is profound. When that bond is disrupted, even temporarily, it can lead to significant stress and anxiety. This is why it's crucial to approach the problem with empathy and patience. One of the first steps in addressing separation anxiety is to recognize the signs early. Many dog owners mistake these signs for bad behavior or disobedience, but in reality, they are cries for help. Dogs may bark excessively, destroy furniture, or have accidents indoors, not because they are being naughty, but because they are experiencing intense fear and anxiety. Understanding this distinction is key to providing the right support for your furry friend. Another important aspect is to create a safe and comfortable environment for your dog when you are not around. This can include providing a cozy bed, access to their favorite toys, and perhaps even some calming music or white noise to help them feel more secure. The goal is to make their alone time as stress-free as possible. Consistency is also crucial. Dogs thrive on routine, and sudden changes can exacerbate their anxiety. Try to keep your departures and arrivals as consistent as possible. This means leaving and returning at the same times each day, and following the same routine when you do. Over time, your dog will learn to anticipate your schedule and feel more secure knowing that you will always come back. Training and behavior modification techniques can also be very effective in reducing separation anxiety. This can include desensitization exercises where you gradually get your dog used to being alone for longer periods of time, and counter conditioning, where you teach your dog to associate your departure with something positive, like a treat or a favorite toy. These techniques require patience and consistency, but they can make a big difference in your dog's anxiety levels. In some cases, professional help may be needed. A certified dog trainer or a veterinary behaviorist can provide valuable guidance and support. They can help you develop a customized plan for your dog and provide you with the tools and techniques you need to help your dog feel more secure. In severe cases, medication may be necessary to help your dog cope with their anxiety. This should always be done under the guidance of a veterinarian. It's also important to remember that separation anxiety is not something that will go away on its own. It requires time, effort, and patience to address. But with the right approach, you can help your dog feel more secure and reduce their anxiety. This will not only improve their quality of life, but also strengthen the bond between you and your furry friend. So, if you notice any signs of separation anxiety in your dog, don't ignore them. Take action and seek help if needed. Your dog is counting on you to provide the support and guidance they need to feel safe and secure. And remember, you are not alone. Many dog owners face the same challenges, and there are resources and support available to help you and your dog. In conclusion, separation anxiety in dogs is a serious issue that requires a thoughtful and compassionate approach. By understanding the signs, creating a safe environment, maintaining a consistent routine, and seeking professional help if needed, you can help your dog overcome their anxiety and lead a happier, more relaxed life. And in doing so, you will also strengthen the bond between you and your furry friend, creating a more harmonious and loving home for both of you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment below if your dog shows signs of separation anxiety. Let's help each other out by sharing tips and experiences. And remember to save this video for later and follow for more tips. Because a calm dog equals a calm home, and always behavior first, punishment never. While separation anxiety is often discussed in dogs, it's important to know that cats can also experience significant stress when left alone. Cats may not show their anxiety as overtly as dogs, but the signs are there if you know what to look for. First, let's talk about the causes. Cats are more independent than dogs, but they still form strong bonds with their human companions. Changes in their environment, such as a move, a new pet, or even a new family member, can trigger anxiety. Additionally, a lack of mental stimulation and physical activity can contribute to their stress levels. Now, what are the symptoms? Look for behaviors such as excessive meowing or vocalization when you're about to leave or when you're gone. Destructive behavior like scratching furniture or knocking things over. Changes in litter box habits, such as urinating outside the box. Over-grooming leading to bald spots or skin irritation. Loss of appetite or changes in eating habits. It's crucial to understand that these behaviors are not signs of a bad cat, but indicators of anxiety. So, what can you do to help your feline friend? Here are some practical tips. First, create a stimulating environment. Provide toys, scratching posts, and puzzle feeders that can keep your cat engaged while you're away. High perches or cat trees can also give them a sense of security and a place to observe their surroundings. Next, establish a routine. Cats thrive on consistency. Try to feed them and play with them at the same times each day. This predictability can help reduce their anxiety. Interactive toys can be a great way to keep your cat occupied. Automated laser pointers or treat dispensing toys can provide mental and physical stimulation. If your cat's anxiety is severe, consider using pheromone diffusers. These devices release calming scents that can help reduce stress. Just like with dogs, it's important to keep your departures and arrivals low-key. Avoid making a big fuss when you leave or come home. This can help reduce the sense of drama and anxiety around your comings and goings. For cats with extreme anxiety, consult your veterinarian. They may recommend anti-anxiety medications or a behavior modification plan tailored to your cat's needs. Remember, the goal is to create a calm and secure environment for your cat. With patience and consistency, you can help reduce their anxiety and improve their quality of life. Comment below if your cat shows signs of separation anxiety. Let's share tips and support each other. Save this video for later, and follow for more pet care advice, because a calm pet equals a calm home. And always remember, understanding and compassion are the keys to addressing separation anxiety in any pet. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment below if your cat shows signs of separation anxiety. Let's help each other out by sharing tips and experiences. And remember to save this video for later and follow for more tips, because a calm pet equals a calm home. And always behavior first, punishment never. Exercise is another key factor. Regular physical activity helps burn off excess energy and reduces stress. For dogs, this could mean daily walks, playtime in the yard, or interactive games like fetch. For cats, incorporate play sessions with toys like feather wands or laser pointers. Mental stimulation is just as important as physical exercise. Puzzle feeders, treat dispensing toys, and training sessions can engage your pet's mind and keep them occupied while you're away. Consider using calming aids. For dogs, products like calming collars, anxiety wraps, or soothing music can help. For cats, pheromone diffusers or sprays can create a calming environment. Practice gradual desensitization. Start by leaving your pet alone for short periods and gradually increase the time. This helps them get used to your absence without feeling overwhelmed. Keep departures and arrivals low-key. Avoid making a big fuss when you leave or return home. This minimizes the emotional highs and lows associated with your comings and goings. If your pet's anxiety is severe, consult your veterinarian. They may recommend anti-anxiety medications or a tailored behavior modification plan. Most importantly, be patient and consistent. Overcoming separation anxiety takes time and effort, but with the right approach, your pet can learn to feel more comfortable and secure when left alone. Comment below with your experiences and tips for managing pet separation anxiety. Let's support each other in creating a calm and happy environment for our furry friends. Save this video for future reference, and don't forget to follow for more pet care advice. Together, we can ensure that a calm pet equals a calm home. Thank you for watching.